What's the meaning of actor-manager? Actor-manager. 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 An actor-manager is a theatrical term used to describe a performer who is also in charge of managing the production. In other words, they not only act on stage but also oversee various aspects of the show's production, such as casting, scheduling, and budgeting. This role was particularly popular in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and America, with notable actors such as David Garrick and Sarah Bernhardt serving as actor-managers. The actor-manager model allowed for greater creative control over productions and helped to establish a closer relationship between the performers and the audience.